In 2022, a study published by the National Kidney Foundation showed that over 10% of the global population suffers from some form of chronic kidney disease. But here's the good news. Our kidneys are incredibly resilient. With the right nutrients, they can cleanse themselves and even repair damage over time. Imagine having the power to boost the health of these vital organs simply by adjusting your diet. Intriguing, right? Stick around as we explore the best foods that can help you naturally cleanse and repair your kidneys. 1. Water, the ultimate cleanser. Let's start with the most essential and often underestimated tool, water. Hydration is key for kidney health. Think of your kidneys as a filtration system. Without enough water, they can't properly flush out toxins and waste. Drinking at least 8 to 10 glasses of water a day keeps your kidneys functioning at their best. Water helps to dilute the minerals and salts that can form kidney stones, keeping everything flowing smoothly. It's simple but effective. Never underestimate the power of good old H2O. 2. Cranberries, nature's kidney protector. Cranberries aren't just for Thanksgiving dinner. These tiny berries are packed with antioxidants and have been shown to protect the urinary tract from infections. For centuries, people have used cranberries to fight off urinary tract infections, which can directly impact kidney health if left untreated. The powerful compounds in cranberries prevent harmful bacteria from sticking to the walls of your urinary tract, allowing your kidneys to do their job without extra strain. You can enjoy them in their natural form as juice, but avoid the sugar-filled kinds, or even dried. Just a handful can go a long way. 3. Leafy greens and natural detox. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula are not just great for your overall health, they're also kidney superheroes. They are high in vitamins A and C, magnesium, and iron, all nutrients that support kidney function. What makes them particularly special is their ability to lower blood pressure, a leading cause of kidney damage. By incorporating leafy greens into your daily meals, you're not just nourishing your body, you're giving your kidneys a break from the harmful effects of hypertension. Add them to salads, smoothies, or lightly steam them for a healthy side dish. Your kidneys will thank you. 4. Garlic, the inflammation fighter. Garlic isn't just a flavor powerhouse, it's an inflammation-fighting superstar. Chronic inflammation can lead to kidney damage over time, but garlic's potent anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce this risk. In fact, studies have shown that garlic can lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, two factors that put a lot of strain on your kidneys. Not only does it add flavor to your food, but it also works behind the scenes to protect your kidneys. A win-win situation. Wouldn't you agree? 5. Berries, rich in antioxidants. Berries are like tiny antioxidant bombs for your kidneys. Whether it's strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries, they are packed with antioxidants that reduce inflammation and protect your kidneys from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress happens when harmful molecules known as free radicals damage your cells, including the ones in your kidneys. The antioxidants in berries neutralize these free radicals, helping to repair and cleanse your kidneys at the cellular level. A berry smoothie a day can do wonders for your kidney health. 6. Apples, the gentle detoxifier. An apple a day may keep the doctor away, but did you know it can also help keep your kidneys in check? Apples are high in fiber and have anti-inflammatory properties that aid in cleansing the kidneys. The fiber in apples binds to toxins and waste products in your digestive system, which can help reduce the load on your kidneys. Plus, apples are easy to find and versatile. Eat them raw, bake them, or add them to salads. It's a simple yet powerful way to give your kidneys a break. 7. Olive oil, the heart and kidney helper. Olive oil isn't just great for your heart, it's amazing for your kidneys too. Rich in healthy fats and anti-inflammatory compounds, olive oil helps reduce inflammation throughout your body, including in your kidneys. It also helps control blood sugar and cholesterol levels, both of which are critical for maintaining healthy kidneys. By using olive oil in your cooking, You're not only adding a delicious flavor, but also protecting your kidneys from long-term damage. Swap out those unhealthy fats for olive oil and see the benefits over time. 8. Fish, rich in omega-3. Fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and improve kidney function. Omega-3s help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease, both of which are major contributors to kidney damage. Incorporating fish into your diet a few times a week can provide your kidneys with the nutrients they need to stay healthy and strong. 9. Herbs, parsley and cilantro, the natural cleansers. When we think of natural cleansers, parsley and cilantro top the list. These herbs are known for their diuretic properties, helping your kidneys flush out toxins and excess fluids. Parsley, in particular, contains antioxidants that can support kidney health and reduce the formation of kidney stones. Add these fresh herbs to your meals, smoothies, or teas to give your kidneys a natural cleanse. 10. Ginger, the detox powerhouse. Ginger isn't just great for your digestion, it's also a powerful detoxifier. Ginger contains compounds that help reduce inflammation, cleanse toxins, and improve circulation, all of which support kidney health. Sipping on ginger tea or adding fresh ginger to your meals can give your kidneys the support they need to function optimally. Now you know that keeping your kidneys healthy doesn't require complicated diets or expensive supplements. Simple, everyday foods can have a huge impact. What will you add to your diet to give your kidneys some extra love? If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, leave a comment and let us know your favorite kidney-friendly food. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Healthism. Check out more of our videos to stay on top of your health journey. Before you go, you might find some other helpful videos popping up on your screen. Feel free to click on any of them, or even better, watch both to continue your knowledge journey with us. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Stay healthy, and bye.